गुड मॉर्निंग डियर फ्रेंड्स। मेरे पास बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आए हैं कि मैं सिर्फ एनिमल्स के बारे में बात करती हूँ और बर्ड्स को नहीं ध्यान देती हूँ। तो मैंने सोचा इतने सारे कंप्लेन को दूर करने के लिए आप बहुत सारे बर्ड्स को दिखाती हूँ बच्चों को। सो आई एम हेयर विद अ न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ मस्ती की पाठशाला विद लॉट ऑफ बर्ड्स फॉर यू ऑल। सो बच्चा लोग, आर यू रेडी विद मी? Yes, so let's see. I'll give you mystery and you have to find out what is this bird. And I have my guest Mr. Tutu.
Hi everyone.
Hello Mr. Tutu, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. So Tutu, I think you are afraid of birds क्योंकि birds तो तुमको पकड़ के ले जाएंगी.
Yes, मैं तो छोटा सा चूहा हूँ.
Yes. So आपको birds के बारे में तो जानकारी होगी.
Yes.
Okay, let's see हमारे टुट्टू की कितनी जानकारी है आज. Here is my mystery bird 1. Tutu, you have to guess. If you can't guess, you give me the pass.
Okay.
My name might make you think my head is bare, but this is not the case. I have a full head of white feathers.
This is an eagle.
Okay, I think white feathers on the head. Which bird has white feathers? Bald eagle. That's nice. You can see this bald eagle is holding Tutu.
Oh no, this is fish.
Okay, no, this is fish. My white feathers show that I am mature. Until I turned 5 year old, I only had dark feathers. So these bald eagles have इनके पास black feathers होते हैं जब तक वो 5 years के होते हैं. उसके बाद उनके जो feathers हैं सर के वो white हो जाते हैं. That shows they are mature. Let's move next.
I am described as horned. Even though bones do not extend from my head, my horns are feathery tuft.
Oh, with the face I can think this is owl. उल्लू. टुटू, उल्लू की स्पेशल बात पता है?
क्या?
उल्लू रात में जागते हैं और दिन में सोते हैं.
Oh, and उल्लू हमें फ्रेंडशिप पढ़ाते हैं on Duolingo.
Okay, see, this is great horned owl. I like it when people call my tufts flamicons. This fancy sounding term is Latin for feather horns. Yes, mystery bird number 3. I can make my throat into a net for fishing. It has a pouch that expands to scoop up fish in water.
This is a pelican.
Okay, now this bird is having a big mouth. इसका मुंह बहुत बड़ा है और पाउच है और ये फिश पकड़ लेती है अपने पाउच में. And Tutu is right. I am a pelican. You can see pelican carrying fish.
Another fish gone.
Another fish gone. More to say, a mouthful for me is 3 gallons, 11 liters. See, oh my God, Tutu, 11 लीटर पानी पकड़ सकती है अपने पाउच में. But I cannot stomach this amount. I scoop and spit. ये मुंह पे ले सकती है और फिर फेंक देती है, पेट में नहीं डाल सकती है. Okay, mystery bird number 4. I probably look older than I am because of saggy skin on my head and neck. Much of my loose skin makes up my wattle. Now this is a wattle. You can see some extra body mass or skin on the neck, near neck or on the neck, and it looks very old. Any idea, Tutu?
Yes, it's a turkey.
Oh, wow, Tutu has very deep knowledge about birds. It's a wild turkey. My mood is easier to guess than my age. My wattle is bright red when I fall in love. It is blue when I'm scared. Oh, that's nice. इसका वेटल जो है वो ब्लू हो जाएगा जब उसको डर लगेगा और रेड हो जाएगा जब उसको किसी पे प्यार आएगा. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी मिस्ट्री बर्ड नंबर 5. माय बेस्ट फीचर इज माय बिग ब्राइट बीक. कैन यू सी टुटू कितना बड़ा चोंच है ये?
Yes.
एंड
इसमें अंदर तो मैं फिट हो जाऊंगा, मेरा घर बन जाएगा.
Some people consider me the most beautiful creature in the tropical rainforest because of it.
This is the can.
This is toucan, large beaks. I am toucan. You can see toucan lives
The
in.
can is eating a papaya.
Yes. My back is a multi-use eating utensil. My beak. It lets me pluck food from trees. Its sharp tip can peel fruit. So amazing toucan. It is beautiful, bright bird lives in rainforest. Yes, let's see mystery bird number 6. Wading along shores is my favorite thing to do. ये shores के पास, sea के पास टहलते हैं. Sometimes I pause to stand on just one of my long thin legs. और कई बार ये अपने एक ही पैर पे खड़े हो जाते हैं, दो पैर की जगह. टुट्टू, ये तो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है. आपको कोई आइडिया है पिंक कलर की बर्ड कौन सी होती है?
Flamingo.
Oh, flamingo. Very good, Tutu. You know flamingos.
Duolingo.
Duolingo nahi flamingo. When I walk in water, my web feet stir up the muddy bottom. Then I just dip my head underwater to eat. So these are flamingo. They also eat fish. And they wait standing inside the water with their one leg silently for the water fish. Mystery Bird 7. Tutu, you mind reading?
Yes. My everyday style is a black tuxedo. I have to dress to impress at my family's big social gathering.
Tuxedo like coloring.
Mm,
What is
you can
this?
guess this one.
Penguin. These are big penguins, emperor penguins. Yes. Next.
Mystery Bird 8. I have no problem attracting ladies to stand out. I fan out and then shake my colorful tail feathers. It's a peacock.
Yes, you can all see a big peacock. Peacock is a male and he dances for attracting female peahens. When not spread out, my feathers form a train. This extends my body length by more than 5 feet. Mystery Bird 8. Like a ribbon, Robin, my look includes a pop of red. But my red feathers color my tail, not my chest. Any idea?
I think it's a falcon.
Let's see. No, it is red-tailed hawk.
Oh.
So these are red-tailed hawk. Okay, last but not the least, mystery
Kingfisher.
bird number 10. No, I can see this is a hummingbird. I am bird version of Tinkerbell. I have that famous very small size and fast fluttering flight. Hummingbirds are the fastest moving birds. You know that?
No, it's the peregrine falcon.
So this is the bird which moves very fast. I'm just 1 second I can flap my wings more than 50 times.